Hello and welcome to some new portion of aircraft maintenance vocabulary with Kira Alexandrova. Today we continue working with maintenance verbs. Part 16. Shake. Vibrate. Sweep. Swivel. Deploy. Extend. Retract. Tow. Push back. That's all for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.